Friend, nasaktan ka na ba? Madalas ba kayo magtalo o mag-away ng iyong asawa o jowa? Diba, nagkatampuhan na ba kayo at umabot na talagang ika nga nagkasakitan na not physically but verbally and emotionally? Kung ikaw naman ay single, ready ka na bang magpakasal? At kung gusto malaman paano natin maayos and mga tinatawag na relationship issues, nako, tune in, don't tune out.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Today, naku, mababago po ang topic po natin. Medyo, since love month po to, ang pag-uusapan po naman natin ay konting Feb-ibig. Feb-ibig, pag-ibig po. And one of the major reason talaga kung bakit man nag-aaway ang magjowa at mag-asawa or mag-girlfriend-boyfriend, honestly, is because of money. I don't know if you will agree. Kaya nga, hindi ko pwede tanggalin talaga sa topic na ito. Baka, some of you are asking,
bakit mo pag-uusapan love expert?
No. I'm not a love but I'm a money expert. Kaya mga friendship, kung kayo hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel na ito, no, na ika nga itong Chink Positive, no, please do subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Sama nyo na pating all. Pag may mga bagong videos na everyday, 12 noon, mapapanood nyo kaagad. Alam mo, pinaka-sad part sa getting into a relationship or marriage is maraming couples po ang ika nga ay unhappily married. Yung parang nagsasama lang for the sake of sa anak, hindi mapahiya. Or yung magjowa na ika nga
sayang 5 years na kami. Magbe-break pa ba kami?
Pero you cannot really stand each other already. Alam nyo, in 21 years of marriage, hindi naman naging perfect din ang aming marriage. But alam mo, by the grace of God, we had no major fights, no, me and my wife. And the reason why we had no major fights, because alam mo, simple lang kasi na yung ano namin yung usapan namin. Parate, I always have the last say. Sa lahat ng desisyon namin sa bahay, I always have the last say. Kaya hindi kami nag-aaway. Ano yung parating last say ko?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pero hindi, seriously mga friendship, ito yung na-realize ko talaga. Ito yung pinaka-sad part, no, of marriage. Papaliwanag ko. Alam mo, pag pumasok ka sa school, and then, nag-aral ka ng college, hindi mo nagustuhan course, pwede ka magpalit ng course. Graduate ka, nagtrabaho ka, hindi mo nagustuhan ng boss mo, hindi mo nagustuhan yung working environment or yung mga employees, co-employees mo, pwede ka magpalit ng work. Nag-umpisa ka ng negosyo, hindi mo nagustuhan, hindi mo na-typean, nalugi, pwede ka magpalit ng business. Pero alam mo, sa pag-aasawa, once na nag-commit ka, wala ka ng chance na magpalit. At ito pang second na pinakamasakit. It took us 14 years or 16 years for you to study, to graduate, to prepare yourself for success, but there is no actual school to train us for really starting our family, getting into a relationship, getting into a marriage, and raising our kids. Walang eskwela. In other words, one wrong decision in your married life can make or break your life forever. Yan ang gusto ko talagang maiwasan. Kaya nga, alam mo, prevention is better than cure, na for me, mahirap kasi mag-trial and error sa marriage or sa isang relasyon. Yun yung pinakamasakit And then some of you are saying,
Chinky, hindi naman applicable sa akin itong topic na ito. Paano kung wala pa akong asawa?
Alam mo ba, mas maniwala ka, mas maganda na pinaghahandaan, no, kahit single ka pa ngayon. Because I believe, no, we should prepare more for marriage rather than the wedding. Because marriage is a lifelong commitment, but wedding is a one-day event. Unfortunately, may mga iba, mas pinaghahandaan pa yung araw ng kasal kaysa yung talagang buhay mag-asawa. So, allow me and my happy wife, Novian, to share our experience, to guide you towards your success in terms of your not only financial life but also your married life. That's the reason why may ginawa po kaming isang special online course na matagal namin ginawa to, itong Happy Wife, Happy Life. It's an online course. Actually, it's an online workshop for couples and wannabe couples para matulungan sila, para mag-guide sila. Ito na nga yung special crash course na pwede nyong ika nga paghugutan ng aral. At don't take my word for it. May mga nag-attend na nakapag-enroll na. At ito po yung mga comment. Sabi nito, Michael and I are so blessed to have mentors like you who are generous in sharing and investing their time to empower us to fight the good fight of marriage. No? Sabi niya talagang napakaano talaga, sabi ni Ana, napakaganda. Ito naman, at first, Jeff and I went to the Happy Wife, Happy Life seminar with a little apprehension. Diba? In our hearts, we didn't know what to expect. But in the end, we left with smile, holding hands, and a better understanding of each other as husband and wife. Thanks, Mr. Chinkitan. Grabe talaga. Maraming salamat si Jera. And then, ito naman, galing naman kay Ernel. Sabi niya, thank you so much, Chinky and Novi Entam, for mentoring me and Catherine to fight for our marriage and to fight for our time with God. We are so blessed by your lives. Grabe. Alam mo, that is what we are here for. That's the reason why in this online workshop, we will grant you access for 1 whole year online workshop to by demand. Kahit nasa team abroad kayo, lalo na kung nag-LDR ka, kailangan nyo to. Ang kagandahan pa dito, may workbook pa to. May kasama na tong workbook na PDF na pwede nyo i-download. Kasama na rin po yan. And then next question.
Magkano naman investment?
The total investment for this is 3,500. Yung actual seminar. However, nako, syempre, pero buwan ng Feb Ibig ngayon, Feb Ibig. So instead na 3,500, your investment to gain access to this online course is only 799. O, para affordable naman. Para ito naman ito lang mga friendship, what is 799 pesos na para maayos ang pagsasama ninyong mag-asawa at mas magiging handa kayo lang mga single sa pagpapakasal ninyo. The question is this: willing ka ba mag-invest ng 799? At para sa mga taong nag-iisip pa, oo, yung 799, ito na lang. Para matuwa kayo. We are offering right now a special 50% off ng Happy Wife, Happy Life online workshop. So instead ng 799, again, 399 na lang. 399 na lang. Yes, tama, 399. However, itong promo na ito will only run for 8 days from February 7 to 14. 7 to 14. Kaya ang mga friendship, ano pang hinihintay mo? Ha?
Ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Ito na siguro ang isang pinakamagandang Valentine's gift na pwede nyo ibigay sa isa't isa. And this is what I want you to do. Pag pinanood nyo to, gusto ko sabay, or if not, basta sagutan nyo yung mga workshop na pinapagawa namin sa inyo. So, if you're interested, all you need to do is just click on the link below or on top, hanapin nyo the link or just type the word code HWHL. HWHL, it means Happy Wife, Happy Life. So guys, I hope that you are enlightened at sana nagustuhan nyo itong ginawa po namin para sa inyo at para naman makatulong sa inyong relationship. This is Chinky Tan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.